Hey guys, yeah, I'm blessed to be living in Florida, and it's peaceful out here. It's quiet, and I enjoy that. I'm just gonna set you down here. Maybe I need a rock. I'll hold my phone up a little bit. There we go. So I know I just released a video, commentary video, just sharing some thoughts with you, and so this is going to be one of those back-to-back videos. I got some more things I want to talk about, and that is just like the opening shot I just showed you. It's peaceful out here, the water's calm, and it's kind of nice, but I feel like things are about to pop. I feel like things are about to pop off, and what I'm talking about, and I'm talking specifically about right here in the United States, and that is, we're walking on a razor's edge. We're a tinderbox that is just ready to go. With what has happened the last couple of days in the Supreme Court, and you should all know what's coming, okay? They're putting up a wall around the Supreme Court to try to protect the justices when they're in session. People are openly encouraging others to target them at home. It's only a matter of time that things are going to get kicked off again, like we saw 2 years ago with all the riots and all the calamity going on in the streets. There's already talk right now that activists are getting together this weekend, and they're going to start defacing churches, which makes churchgoers on Sunday, it's going to put them in danger if these activists show up. And I wouldn't be surprised if it happens. And we'll be reading about it or seeing it on the news on Monday to see exactly how things go this weekend. But it's very possible. There's theories about what happened, why it happened right now. It is an election year. So there's some people in our government that want that distraction. And we seem to be seeing it more and more whenever there's important issues going on, then things like this get kicked off. But I guess my advice to you is use caution and stay strapped. When you're going about your business, be aware of what's going on around you. Be aware of the people that are around you. Don't live in fear by any means. That's exactly what they want. Don't live in fear. Go about your daily life. Go about your business, but do so cautiously. I really think that we're in for a difficult summer. I really do. I think we're going to see riots that are as bad or worse than the things that we saw 2 years ago. Okay, with the uprising, when certain groups of people don't get what they want, they turn to violence to try to draw attention to themselves, and they really pitch a hissy, and a lot of us get caught up in that, right? Just trying to peacefully live our lives. We find ourselves in the middle of it. So just be cautious this weekend and moving forward. Just be aware. And this is just one thing right now here in the United States that we're facing. If you consider everything that's going on right now, every day I wake up and I'm thinking to myself, what's new? What's going to happen today? Is today the day that everything just melts down? It's coming. There's no going back. So, we're facing World War III. We're facing food shortages like we haven't seen before. The inflation is just really driving people out of their homes. People can't afford to live. They can't afford their rents. It's just one thing after another, and it's bad. It really is. And so my caution to you, or my advice to you, is get prepared. get ready. Do everything you can to prepare yourself and your families. I have really ramped up my preps for the last several months. I'm thankful, I'm blessed to be in a pretty decent position right now. But all my preps here the last few months have been food. I am just putting everything I can, and anything extra I can get my hands on, it's going into food preps. And that's where you have to prioritize. You know, you just have to take a look at where you're at, and if you're just getting started, then you have to prioritize, right? Food and water should be your number one right now. If you've been prepping for a while, then and you've got a pretty good stockpile, then just start filling those gaps and filling those holes. And if you're not sure where to spend some extra cash, then buy food, because you can never have enough. But I'm just rambling, and I don't want my videos like this to ramble. I just when I have a thought or an idea or a concern, I'm going to start bringing it to you like this in just a short video. And I'd appreciate knowing what you think. You know, are we living on the razor's edge? Can it get any finer? Do you expect that the current events that are happening right now at the Supreme Court, do you think that's going to really start kicking things off again for this summer? That's what I think. And I'd appreciate knowing what you think, because, you know, I'm just one guy. But when you share your thoughts and your comments, I read them. I don't always get a chance to respond to all the comments in all my videos, but I do try to read all the comments. And it helps me to form an opinion, because it helps me to know what you're thinking. And it helps me to know what you're seeing on the ground in your area, wherever it is that you live, whether you're here in the United States or whether you're international. I'd like to know what you're thinking. I'd like to know what you're seeing, because it helps me to form my opinions, right? Hey, you know what? Stay strapped, get ready, stay prepped, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.